Hello, in front of me I've got Thomson Tablet 13P. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the screen, enable or disable night light, schedule it and adjust it. Then we can change wallpaper, enable dark theme, change screen timeout between never 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen message, and show lockdown option. Next we've got access to color enhance function, demo mode, color brightness and saturation, smart backlight, again demo mode, reading mode and color adjustment. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.